Rightio, we're going to try a bit of a tyre repair. As you can see, that one there got rather a nasty blooming slash in it. So I'm going to try gluing it up with the old tyre cement and seeing if that'll stick. Yeah, I don't really want to have to replace this tyre. I haven't, it's fairly new. Right, I'll show you the end result if it works. This is the remedy. So I've just got that strap on there, and directly underneath here is the slash in the tyre. It's been glued up with rubber cement. It'll be interesting to see if this works actually. I've left the air in the tyre because then it provides a bit of resistance for the strap. And this is just a strap that I've made up that it's just a one way, so it loops back on itself. Yeah, we'll see how we get on. Okay, it's been about 2 hours, so I'll just see if this has actually worked. Yeah, that seems to have, that might have worked actually. Okay, I'll see how it goes. I'm not too sure once oh hello. No, look at that, it's just starting to separate now. Maybe not. Back to the drawing board, I'm afraid, so possibly that doesn't work. Okay. Rightio. So far, so good. Okay, I've had this on for about, what day is it? Maybe 2 days? Yeah, it would be 2 days, I guess. So, it's still a little bit tacky, that glue, but anyway, we'll have a look. If it's worked, you can see that. Oh no, no, I thought it had for a moment. No, oh well, never mind. That was worth a go. Anyway, I might put I could try putting a patch on it, but I think it's a bit of a foregone conclusion. Anyway, rightio. So that doesn't work. You can't really fix a cut like that. Okay.